So 20% of the people that have a real estate license are doing 80% of the business. And it's like any sales profession. I'm pretty sure when you was financial planning, the numbers were pretty
Same
much
thing.
the same. Even on the loan officer side, it's the same thing. So just because you got a license, it doesn't give you a license to print money. You have to go out there and you have to network and you have to really roll up your sleeves to get some business because it's not easy at all. I think in New York alone, there's over 30,000 active real estate licenses. 30,000 people are not closing deals. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not happening. So, but it is, I believe that if you're looking to get into real estate and if you don't have the capital to get into real estate, go get licensed. It's not going to hurt you because everybody knows somebody who needs to rent an apartment or do something like that. It's so many different streams of income when you become a licensed realtor. You can rent apartments, you can sell homes, you can represent sellers, you can represent buyers, you can represent investors, developers, you can property manage, right? You can do BPOs, broker price opinions, which is basically appraisers, right? On behalf of the banks. You can do short sale negotiations. You can wholesale because in some states now they're requiring you to have a real estate license to even wholesale properties, right? So there's many different avenues of making money when you have your real estate license. You just got to figure out what's going to be your play and kind of stick to it. Now, also to get your MLO license, to get become a licensed loan officer, I believe you got to take like a 25-hour class and test. And then when you pass that, you got to take a federal exam. You pass the federal exam. Again, it's a couple $100 for a couple $100 investment to get licensed. Once you pass the federal exam, then you submit to the state. You submit to NMLS. You got to do your fingerprints, your background check. It's a little bit more intense on my side because of the wild cowboy days and the market crash. So they kind of over-regulated us. They blamed us for everything. So we got over-regulated a little bit. So now once you get, you pass, and then you have to get sponsored by a mortgage company, but the same rules apply. It doesn't mean you're going to make money, but both careers can be 6-figure careers, 7-figure careers, if you really hit a lick and you really get a good referral sources and you're out there putting in your work.
And just a source of way to get information.